Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today we are gonna show you guys how to make amazing mixed vegetable stir fry. This dish called in Thai ผัดผักรวมมิตร or Thai mixed vegetable stir fry recipe and vegetable choice. So there are no rule about what vegetable you should be using, but you should get a mix of color and texture because you don't want the whole thing to be green or the whole thing to be leafy. I'm going to show you what I like and what is the common use in Thailand. So I have got here some cabbage, some carrot and some broccoli, and also I addition more for the zucchini. And the one trick for keep the broccoli too long. This one is broccoli after 2 weeks. You can see all is green because I put it on the water in the cup and then you can keep it longer. And if you want to eat some broccoli, you just cut a little bit and put it back. Start with the broccoli. We need to cut the broccoli to be the little piece. And when you cut the broccoli, the easy way to cut only the stalk and then tear it by hand. The next one is zucchini. We just cut half and half, or you can use other vegetable as you like. And then the carrot. You can do like I do today is make a nice carrot by cut the peeling like a curve and then cut to be pieces, or you can make like a flower. And then the garlic. And I like to make it a little bit spicy by adding some chilies. I have got some Thai chili here. I'm not gonna finely chop them because I'm actually like that is the bigger for the chili. So what I will do, just cut bigger one, and this way no one is going to accidentally eat a piece of chili because it's so big. And then for the cabbage, just cut a small piece. First off, you are gonna take out the pot, add in some water, and you are gonna bring it to boil. Then you are gonna add in about half a teaspoon of salt, and then we're gonna blanch the broccoli because the broccoli is so hard to cook, and then we need to cook a little bit first. We're gonna blanch the broccoli about a few seconds or until they are tender crisp. The way we do like this because it will help to seal color, flavor and the nutrients. It will also help cut down the amount of time they need to be stir fried. And after that, remove from the hot water and put in the cold water. Got a big pan here and a little bit of vegetable oil as always. And I'm going to go in the garlic with the chili. It's gonna make it interesting and delicious, so get that brown just a little bit, just until the garlic start to brown. We are going with the hard vegetable first. So carrot go in and give them a hard start because they take a little bit longer. And then put in the cabbage and also zucchini. I'm gonna add just a little bit of water. You don't have to add it at this point if you don't want a lot of water, but I find I always need it. Then continue to stir them. And the last one, add the broccoli because we already cooked a little bit. And then I'm gonna add the sauce right at this point. Now its sauce is very simple. I have got some oyster sauce right here. If you are vegetarian and you don't want to make this vegetarian dish, you could also use vegetarian oyster sauce, which they sell sometimes. They call in vegetarian stir-fry sauce. Just look at the bottle. If you give sauce of thick texture like oyster sauce, that is meant to replace. And then add some soy sauce. For the oyster sauce, I put 2 tablespoons and soy sauce also 2 tablespoons and a little sugar, just cut the saltiness, just a teaspoon. And how done you like the vegetable is sauce of your whatever you like. The softer, cook them longer. If you like them crunchy, a couple minutes will do. What I'm looking for this is the cabbage that becomes soft. That is when I put it off. But for you it might be different, depending how you like the vegetable. The harder of cabbage is starting to be soft now. So now you are done. It's always have this with some jasmine light. It's very good match. Who know the vegetable could be this good seriously? It's just a bunch of vegetable carefully selected and a few sauce, and it will change forever the way you look. A mixed vegetable, crunchy, lots of texture go on, garlic, little spicy, and it's super easy and healthy too. So I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and follow me on my Facebook and my YouTube channel. And see you next time.